So number 1 asks to find the slope. So from these 2 points, just draw a triangle, or if you want, you can make it into a rectangle. Now notice right away the line is going downhill, so you know it's going to be a negative slope. And the rise is just 1, and the run is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice I'm counting the spaces. That's 1 space, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, 4 spaces. I'm not counting the intersections or the points. I'm counting the spaces. So it's negative 1 over 4. 1 over 4. And that's your slope. Here's the second one, find the slope. So from this point to that point, I'm going to go ahead and make a triangle. And again, if you want to, you can make it into a rectangle. Okay, our rise, by the way, notice it's a positive slope because it's going uphill. It's positive. So the height of this is, to count the spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our slope is 5 over 6. The rise over the run. 5 over 6. Positive. Okay, number 3, find the slope of the line that goes through these 2 pair of points. I'm going to take my y's. They go on top. -1 and -9. My x's go on the bottom. -6. I'm going to start with this point here, so this has got to be my first number. -6, and this one over here is 3. Okay, well, when I have a double negative, that makes a big plus. So -1 plus 9 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. -6 and -3 is -9. So the slope is -8 over 9. So number 4, find the slope. So my y's, I'm going to put in there first. They go on top, 7 and 2. And my x's go on the bottom, 6 and 4. And again, notice how I made my, you could say toilet seats or the skeleton here. This minus that, this minus that. Okay, so 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. And that's it. It's 5 over 2. Leave it, don't make it a mixed number. Leave it improper. Number 5, the same problem, same type of problem. Again, look how I made up my, you could say skeleton or toilet seats, whatever you want to call those. And I'm going to put my y's up on top. My y's are -2. That's this one. And the other one is 3. My x's are 8. And the other one is -3. -2 and -3 is -5. 8 minus oh, that's a big plus there. 2 negatives make a big plus, 2 minuses. 8 plus 3 is 11. -5 11ths. Okay, solve the equation for y. I'm going to go ahead and add x to both sides. And that's going to leave me with -2y. Don't forget that negative right there. This is gone, but that's -2y. Bring it down. Bring the rest of this down. That's a plus 1x or just an x. And that's an 8, positive 8. Okay, next step. By the way, that's a 1x if you want to put a 1 in there. I'm going to divide by -2 everything, all terms. And if I do that, that's gone. And this is -1/2 x. In front of the x, it's -1/2. So it's -1/2 x. I'm going to put that right here. And then 8 divided by -2. 2 goes into 8, 4, and there's 1 negative. So it's -4, -4. Number 7, I want to get rid of the -5x, so I'm going to add 5x to both sides. All right, that's gone, and you're left. Now bring down both the minus and the 3y there. So it's -3y. Bring down the 5x, and that's a +9. Okay, we cannot combine those. Those are not like terms. Okay, so this is what you should end up with on your first step. Just moving the x over basically is all you did. To get rid of the -3, I'll divide by -3. But you have to do every term by that. And that's gone. So we have y equals, here's your slope right there. -5/3. Right? -5/3. So that's -5/3, an x. Then that's going to be -3 right there. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and there's one negative. Number 8, I want to get rid of the x, so I'm going to subtract 6x. Subtract 6x. All right, so the 6x's are gone. That's going to leave me with negative, don't forget that minus, 4y equals, bring down the -6x, just bring all this stuff down, and that's a +12. Don't combine them, they're not like terms. Just bring them down. All right, now we'll get rid of the -4. We'll divide by -4. But you have to do it to each term. And the -4, that's gone, so y is all by itself. The negatives right here, they cancel, right? Negative divided by negative cancel, so that's gone. 6 divided by 4 is 3/2. 3/2. 2 goes in there 3, 2 goes in there twice. 3/2. So that's 3/2x. And then 12 divided by 4 is 3, and there's one negative. -3, or -3. Number 9, we want to graph the two lines, find out where they intersect. So I'm going to start at -7. So going down from on the y-intercept, on the y-axis, the y-intercept is -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll start from there. My slope is 3/1, and it's going uphill because that's positive. So it's going to go uphill, up 3/1. So up 3, 1, 2, 3/1. And I'm going to keep on going. Put as many dots as possible. This makes it much easier. 3/1, up 3/1. I'll even go down 3 and over 1. So there's my line. Take a straight edge. Go all the way through the entire graph, edge to edge, put arrows at the end. Okay, and by the way, that's this one right here. Okay, now I'll do the next line. So I'm going to start at 9, go up to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a y-intercept. The slope is negative. That means it's going to go downhill 1/1. So I'm going to go this way 1/1. So I'll go down 1/1, down 1/1, down 1/1. There's where they intersect right there. Okay, right there. Down 1/1, yada yada. I'll keep going. I'm going to go up 1/1. Okay, so there's my line. There's all my dots. I'll line it up. Kind of zoom in there so we can find out where is that intersection at. So if I count, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute, it's right there, that point right there. So let's see, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. My line's a little off. So it's 4, comma, and how far up is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Let's see if that's right again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the point right there. 4, 5. That's our answer. That's our solution. Those two numbers will work for x and y in both equations. So the left side equals the right side.